2015 320i from the auction, as you can see. Show y'all under the hood real quick. Got some damage there. Like I was saying before, they're cut off, as you can see down here. Damage didn't really pass where the fan is, so I'm pretty good there. Battery's dead, so there's no way of turning this car on. I tried to jump it with the positive here, negative here. Didn't give me power. I'm not sure if they disconnected the battery or what. But that's something I gotta figure out down the road. Alternator's good. It looked like we didn't have any damage down there, which is really, really good. And this for perfect steel right here. So looks like I just need a sub upper radiator support frame, subframe. Part looks like it's bent, it might be. Looks like it's bent. I need to replace that part. The parts that I see, it's like under here. Just need to get this part done, and that's what I'm working on today, trying to knock this out of the way. It's gonna be here a while. And as you can see, as the door, it's torn off in this hot sun. The door is not playing. It's at 92 right now. Drenched in sweat. So yeah. As I go along, I'll be posting more videos of me getting this shocks, struts, the whole driver's suspension assembly in. All right. All the airbags jumped out. Now the seats are pretty good, as you can see. They're not as bad. This tire I took off on the side. Seats are still good. I'm just doing some work because I gotta move this car from my uncle's spot. As you can see, it has 132, 80 you could say. Pretty much the car just had its whole entire front end. There. We're working on this throughout this channel, so you can check it out, see the progress I've made. You know, I could definitely let y'all know what problems I ran into and what I had to get done. But this channel is solely about rebuilding this car and others like it. You can see it there. Just took this whole. I gotta take these control arm off. Let's add some new ones. Yeah, it took me a mission to try to even get this part off the wheel hub. That was a mission in itself because it looks like it is broke here. See up in there. Piece of it hanging off. As you can see, another piece hanging off. I gotta unbolt these so I can reuse it on the car. But as far as the damage, it didn't go far. If you can see there, it didn't even pass the fan. My friend told me I need a new subframe. But as for now, I'm just trying to get this whole, as you can see here, trying to get this whole piece back in. I just took it out. It's over there. Floor, This is the other 320. This is my older 320. As you can see, the parts are here that I bought for it. This sounds probably beeping in this camera, but I just bought the whole complete set. Yeah.